Did you know you can combine text from multiple cells in Excel with just one formula? Today, you'll learn two super easy methods that will save you tons of manual copy pasting. Imagine you have first names in one column and last names in another. Merging them manually is a nightmare. There has to be a faster way, and there absolutely is. Start by clicking your results cell, then type the CONCAT function. Select your first name cell, add a space in quotes, then select your last name cell and press Enter. You can also use the ampersand symbol instead of concat. It works exactly the same way and is even quicker to type for simple joins. Both methods are totally interchangeable. Look at that. Full names appear instantly in your result column. Drag the formula down and every row combines automatically, turning two columns into one clean list. You just learned how to combine text using the concat function and the ampersand shortcut, two tools every Excel user needs. Hit like and subscribe for a brand new Excel tip every single day.